Shopashiakwo no okomu hutiba muhiru. How Bald Eagle became leader of all birds. Years ago, birds were like people. They walked around and they could talk just like humans. The only difference from humans was that birds could fly. These birds admired the humans because everything in their villages always went smoothly. The birds began to notice that things did not seem to go so smoothly in their villages. They wondered why. One day, all of the birds decided to hold a council meeting. Muhu, who was known to be very wise, began the meeting. On behalf of all bird kind, I thank you for coming to this meeting. As you know, life has been tough. Yeah, the humans don't have it so bad. Things seem to go smoothly for them. What do they have that we don't? Well, for one thing, the Indian children have their parents. They all have a chief and holy men, and above all, a great spirit. Everybody has someone to follow, and it seems to work. What we need is a strong and faithful leader.
Our leader should be strong and wise.
How are we going to decide who it should be? I think we should choose Eagle as our leader. Well, the leader should be a good hunter and a very swift flyer. I think Nakai would be a good leader.
Pashiakwo's the best.
Nakai is.
I vote for Pashiakwo.
Oh, what do you know? Both Pashiakwo and Nakai are very fine birds. But we still have a problem. We must choose between the two. Does any bird have any idea as to how we're supposed to make this choice? I propose a contest of skill and strength. Oh, a contest.
Yeah, a contest. That sounds good.
Uh-huh. Let's have a contest. All right, a contest it is. Both Nakai and Pashiakwo shall have to prove themselves in a flight. The one that can fly the highest shall be our leader. Pashiakwo and Nakai, you both have 5 days to prepare yourselves. In 5 days, we shall meet here again to determine just who shall be our leader. Well, after the meeting broke up, the two chosen birds began preparing themselves. I must exercise my wings and make them stronger. They must carry me higher than I've ever gone before. Tomorrow, I shall fast and ask the Great Spirit to help me do my best. I will need strong leg and back muscles if I'm going to fly my highest. I will practice every day so I can win. The sun and the moon passed 5 times. Finally, the day of the contest arrived. All the birds gathered around as the two took their places. The contest will now begin. Are the contestants ready?
Yes.
Nakai, you will go first. So Nakai took off. Golly, he's way up there. You could barely see him. That's gonna be hard to beat. Here comes Nakai. He's starting to descend. Well, that was a good flight, Nakai. You would make a good leader, but Bashia Quo must take his turn. Off flew Bashia Quo. Wow! He's way up there. I'm not even sure I see him anymore. I don't see him. Yes. Bashia Quo flew up and out of sight. He began circling as he descended back to Earth. Well, that was quite a flight. And for showing us that you have mastered the art of flying, you, Bashia Quo, are now our leader. As for you, Nakai, you are still very important to us. Don't feel left out. And from that day on, Bashia Quo had become more than just a leader for the birds. He was also used in Indian ceremonies, rituals, and gatherings. He has even been chosen as the national bird of the United States of America. Bashia Quo muhu no asa nunu apu hutiba 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 Bashia Quo